Alright guys, we did it. We bought a 2004 GSXR 750 for $1,500. We'll talk about how the interaction went with the seller here, maybe in a separate video, but nonetheless, running and riding 2004 GSXR 750. Really excited to get this build started. Let's take it home and strip her down. Pieces in that front fairing, let me tell you. This is gonna be fun. Here. This is ridiculous. Like, All right, guys, that's going to conclude part number 1. Thank you guys so much for watching. Unfortunately, this is about as far as we can go because we still have parts that are on order, parts that are being delivered. So the strip down process is pretty much done. We've already replaced some new parts, but again, we just have to wait for a lot of things to come in the mail. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and wait for that, maybe do some other projects. And as I get the parts in, we're just going to go ahead and throw them right on there. So I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next parts of the build series. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.